I would say that you can tell from the title of this video that I have more than one goal today. First goal is definitely to get out and do one of my favorite things that I love to do, and that's ultralight fishing. I love ultralight fishing. But before I tell you what the second goal is, let me tell you what I did yesterday. I drove about an hour to another lake, and you guys know that my fixation with flathead catfish has almost turned into an obsession this year. It's all I could think about, is catching a flathead. So I drove about an hour yesterday and had everything that I needed to set a bunch of bank lines like we've been doing. The one thing I didn't have was bait. And I thought, you know what, I'll just catch it when I get down there and we'll be all set. Well, guess how many over, I don't know how long I was there, tried for 3 hours. Guess how many bait fish I caught? That's right, a big fat none. So all of my effort to get down there, driving, packing, everything to get down there was a total flop. So along with the ultralight fishing today, I've got my live well on back here, and what I'm going to do is this specific river that I'm fishing is loaded with long-ear sunfish. So we're going to keep a bunch of them, and I'm going to take them home and I'm going to freeze them. That way, and I mean, everybody who catfishes knows that frozen bait is not as good as live, but frozen bait is better than no bait. So the next time I try these trips, I can put some of this frozen bait, in my rig with me, and if things go bad, I will have bait. So that's the goal today: ultralight fishing and getting us some bait for the future. So hang tight; it's going to be a fun day. Fish one. Fish one, guys. All right, what we got? Got ourselves a sunfish. There he is. He's going to be the first one to hit the bucket today. Let's do her again. Fish on. Fish on. See what we got here. Rock bass. There's fish number 2 for the bucket. Fish on. Fish on. See what we got here, y'all. Got ourselves a pretty decent rock bass, but he's still small enough to go into the bucket. So let's get him in there. Fish on, y'all. Fish on. Fish on. What do we got? We got ourselves nice sunfish. There he is. And in the bucket he goes. Fish on. Fish on. Man, these fish are on fire today, y'all. Fish on. Look at that. That's a nice one there, boy. That's a good one. But he can still go in the bucket. Let's get him in there. Big fish, y'all. Nice fish. Nice fish. Yeah, boy. Get the net. Get the net. Yeah, boy. Man, he fought and jumped. What a great fight. Let's see what we got here, y'all. Hooked right through the bottom lip. There it is. That's a nice fish, y'all. Good, Smalley. Yeah, boy. Man, these fish are on fire today. Thank you, Lord. There he is. All right, let's get him back in the water. And he gone. Fish on. Fish on, guys. What do we got? Got ourselves a nice little rock bass. Let go. Look at him. Look at that. Let go. There we go. There it is. In the bucket he goes. Fish on, y'all. Fish on. All right. Nice little Smalley. Yeah, boy. There he is, guys. Nice fish. Yeah. All right. And back he goes. Oh, y'all. Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Oh, let's see what we got here. Well, looky there, guys. Looky there. Hang on there. Looky there, guys. Beautiful trout. There he is. Must be a layover from the spring stalking. That's a nice fish, y'all. Yeah, boy. Let's get a length on him here real quick, and then we'll get him back in the water. All right. He is right at a foot long. That's a nice fish, guys. Nice fish. All right, let's get him back in the water. Had him out long enough. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, yes. Oh, this is a good one, y'all. Nice fish. Nice fish. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is a good one. Oh, he's under the boat. Let's get the net ready. Get the net ready. Got him. Woo! Thank you, Lord. All right. Good fish. Yes. Now that's a nice Smalley right there, y'all. Hang on here. Let me get the pliers, get this out of his mouth so we don't hurt him. All right, y'all. There he is. That's a great fish. These fish are on fire today. They are hitting left and right. Yeah, that's a nice fish. All right, let's get him back in the water. We've had him out long enough. Fish on. Fish on. See what we got. Got ourselves a little rock bass. Open up. There he is. And in the bucket he goes. Fish on. Oh my. What we got? Feels good, y'all. What we got here? We got a nice sunfish. A nice one. Look at there. Yeah, boy. And in the bucket he goes. Oh, we got a big one, y'all. We got a big one. I don't think we're going to have to get the net, though. And back he goes. Fish on. Fish on. What we got? We got ourselves a very, very nice rock bass, y'all. That's a good one. That's a good one. Look at that. Yep. That's a good one. Actually, he's so good that he ain't even going in the bucket. Big old rock bass like that deserves to go back home. Let's get him back in there. See you, bud. Fish on. Fish on. What we got? Oh, nice sunfish. Nice one. Come on. But like I said there a minute ago, our bucket's getting pretty full. So we're going to stop and look and see what we have. But for right now, we ain't going to keep no more. So lucky fish. Back you go, bud. Fish on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a good one. Oh, he hit so easy. And now he's fighting so hard. Oh, pull and drag. Pull and drag. This is a good fish, guys. Good fish. Get the net. Get the net. Yes! Yes! Man, he barely even hit. Just peck, peck, peck. I wasn't even sure it was a fish at first. Look at that. Oh, what a fish. Oh, man, he swallowed that too. There it is. Look at that. Oh, yeah. What a beautiful smallie. Ah, that is a nice fish, guys. That's definitely our best smallmouth of the year so far. Yes, thank you, Lord. What a beautiful, beautiful fish. That's just a good one all around. Great fish, y'all. All right, we had him out long enough. Let's get him back in the water. Fish on. Fish on. Man, fighting like crazy. Holy moly. That's why. Look at the size of that rock bass. Daggone. Look at that. That's a great fish, guys. All right. Thank you, Lord. What a good day we're having. Man, this is awesome. All right, back he goes. Fish on. Fish on. See what we got. Nice sunfish. Oh, he's beautiful colors. Just beautiful. Man, he really chumped that thing too. Hang on here. Look how pretty he is down underneath on his breast. Look at that. Look how beautiful that fish is. Now that's pretty colors. That's a nice fish, y'all. Right there we go, back in the water. Fish on. Fish on in the ring. Oh. And rock bass. And back he goes. Fish on. Fish on. Man, this thing is traveling too. I'm fighting like crazy. Oh yeah. Nice rock bass. There it is. Yeah, that's a good rock bass. All right. Not a bad fish. And back he goes. Well, y'all, unfortunately, we're to the takeout. And the reason I say unfortunately is because it was just a phenomenal trip down the river today. We caught some really nice fish. We caught a bunch of different species. We caught numbers. I mean, it was just everything that a trip down the river ought to be. Sorry about the noise. I'm coming up on the interstate. And speaking of noise, I hope that the aerator that I used for the live well didn't make too much noise. We'll find out when I review the footage. But anyway, it was a great trip. So if y'all like what you saw today, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you guys next time.